So I have a little kitty here that wants lots of attention. Bobo, do you want lots of attention? You say hi? Say hi to the people. Yep, you're the destroyer of worlds as always. Hi, Bobo. You're the destroyer of worlds. Huh? Come here. Joseph. Bobo baby. Headbutting everything because all you want is love. Bobo. Come here. Aw. Who's my good boy? Yeah. Little boy. You ready? Watch. Whoop. I just lay my head on him and let his purrs cure everything. There's little needy paws too. Oh, you are just wonderful. You know that, Bobo? Mwah. Do you know how wonderful you are? Okay, Bobo, time to say bye-bye. Say, miss you, love you, bye. Bye, friends.